Welcome to SMS Gateway Center's SMS Sandbox activation tutorial. In this comprehensive guide, you'll learn how to set up your Sandbox account and start testing SMS features instantly with no commitment required. Get started with SMS testing in just minutes. Our Sandbox environment provides a safe, isolated space where you can explore all SMS features without any risk or immediate payment. What exactly is an SMS Sandbox? Think of it as a safe testing environment with predefined settings. It's like having a practice field where you can test all SMS functionalities without affecting real users or incurring costs. The SMS Sandbox offers three key benefits. First, a safe testing environment that prevents any misuse. Second, instant activation with no waiting time. And third, pre-configured settings that get you started immediately. Let's begin with step one, completing your sign-up process. This is the foundation that will give you access to all SMS Gateway Center features. Fill in your registration details, including your name, email address, verification required, and most importantly, your mobile number. This mobile number will be automatically whitelisted for testing purposes. Complete your sign-up process. Log in to your account. Welcome to your SMS Gateway Center dashboard. You'll notice an Add Products option prominently displayed. This is your gateway to accessing the SMS Sandbox. Step 2 involves accessing your product options. Look for the Add Products button on your dashboard. It's your starting point for activating any SMS Gateway Center service. Browse through the available products list. You'll see various SMS and messaging services. For testing purposes, we're focusing on the SMS Sandbox option. Click on the SMS Sandbox product card and then click the Setup button. This will take you to the configuration page where you can choose your setup path. Step 3 presents you with configuration options. The setup page will show you two distinct paths you can take. You have two options available. First, enable Sandbox for testing and exploration purposes. Second, go for paid account if you're ready for production use. For this tutorial, we'll focus on the Sandbox option. For testing purposes, click on the Enable Sandbox button. This choice will give you immediate access to SMS features without any financial commitment. Step 4 is the activation process. The system will now provision your Sandbox account with all necessary components for testing. Your account is now provisioned with 4 essential elements: a default sender name that's pre-approved, predefined message templates that comply with regulations, test credits for your trial period, and your registered mobile number is automatically whitelisted for testing. Notice the Sandbox alert banner at the top of your dashboard. This banner clearly indicates that you're operating within a Sandbox environment and provides quick access to whitelist additional numbers. Understanding Sandbox limitations is crucial. You're limited to your registered mobile number initially, must use the default sender ID provided, and can only use the predefined message templates. These restrictions ensure a safe testing environment. Step 5 covers whitelisting additional mobile numbers. This feature allows you to test SMS delivery to multiple numbers beyond your registered one. The Whitelist Number button appears right next to the Sandbox alert banner at the top of your dashboard. It's easily accessible whenever you need to add more test numbers. Click the Whitelist Number button to open a modal window. This modal will guide you through the process of adding and verifying additional mobile numbers. Enter the additional mobile number you want to whitelist. This could be a colleague's number, a second phone, or any number you wanted to test SMS delivery to. An OTP, or one-time password, will be sent to the number you entered. This verification step ensures that you have permission to send SMS to this number. Enter the OTP you received to complete the verification process. Excellent. The number has been successfully whitelisted. You can now send test SMS messages to this number along with your registered number. Step 6 is where the fun begins. Sending your first test SMS. Navigate to the Send SMS section to start testing the platform. Navigate to the Quick Send SMS page. This interface provides a simple, user-friendly way to send test messages without any complex configuration. Add your registered or whitelisted mobile number in the recipient field. You can add multiple numbers separated by commas if you want to test delivery to several numbers at once. Select from the predefined templates available in the drop-down menu. These templates are pre-approved and comply with all regulatory requirements, ensuring successful delivery. Notice that the sender ID field is predefined and cannot be changed. This default sender ID is pre-approved and ensures immediate activation without any approval delays. Click the Send SMS button to initiate your test. The system will process your request and deliver the message to the specified number. Step 7 involves monitoring your SMS delivery. Navigate to the Delivery Report section to track the status of your sent messages. Check the status of your sent messages in the Delivery Report. You'll see detailed information about each message, including delivery status, timestamp, and any error messages if delivery failed. Verify the delivery status and review any error messages. This information helps you understand how the SMS system works and troubleshoot any issues that might arise. You might wonder why we use predefined settings in the sandbox. Let me explain the important reasons behind these restrictions. Predefined settings provide 3 key security benefits. First, they prevent misuse and spam by controlling what can be sent. Second, they ensure compliance with all regulatory requirements. Third, they create a controlled testing environment that's safe for everyone. Predefined templates ensure several advantages. They're DLT-compliant, meaning they meet all regulatory standards. They have proper formatting that maximizes delivery success. And they cover various test scenarios you might need. The default sender ID provides immediate activation without any approval delays. It ensures consistent branding and eliminates the need for lengthy approval processes that could slow down your testing. Here are some recommended testing steps to make the most of your sandbox experience. Test with different mobile numbers to understand delivery patterns. Try different templates to see how they perform. Monitor delivery reports to understand success rates, and test various scenarios to prepare for production use. If you need help during your testing, our support team is here to assist you. We offer live chat for immediate assistance, email support for detailed queries, phone support for urgent matters, and even video call assistance for complex setup requirements. Congratulations! You're all set with your SMS Sandbox account. You've successfully activated your sandbox, whitelisted your numbers, sent your first test SMS, and are ready to explore all SMS features. When you're ready to move from testing to production, upgrading to a paid account is simple. You'll have access to custom sender IDs, your own message templates, and unlimited SMS capabilities. Thank you for choosing SMS Gateway Center. Start testing SMS today and discover how our platform can transform your business communication. We're here to support your journey every step of the way.